Hello everyone.
New topic, that is change in profit sharing ratio. What is the name of the topic? Change in profit sharing ratio. In this topic, what we have to do? Here they are going to give old ratio and here they are giving new ratio. We have to calculate whether who are gaining and who are going to sacrifice. So, question number 17. Question number 17 is telling us Amit, Vijay and Kuldeep are equal partners. Now 1st April they want to change their ratio 3 to 1. We have to calculate sacrificing ratio and gaining ratio. So first one what is given, that is old ratio, and second one is new ratio. Formula to calculate sacrificing and gaining ratio: old ratio minus new ratio. If our answer is coming positive, that means we are sacrificing, and if our answer is coming negative, that means we are gaining. This is change in profit sharing ratio. We have to calculate sacrificing and gaining ratio. So what is the formula to calculate sacrificing and gaining ratio? And if answer is coming positive, that means it is sacrifice. And if answer is coming negative, that means gain. So now how to calculate? First we are calculating for Amit. Amit old ratio is 1. Denominator we are writing sum total of all three ratios. So it is 3. New ratio is 3. Denominator 3, 4, 5, 6. आया समझ में कैसे लिखा मैंने? चलो विजय का, you all say what is the old ratio for Vijay?
1:3.
1/3. And new ratio is
2/6.
2/6. Then Kuldeep old ratio is
1/3.
and new ratio is
1/6.
if you are knowing how to take LCM then okay, and if you are not knowing how to take LCM then new method you learn. Denominator you multiply. 3 6 are 18. Then diagonally you multiply. 6 1s are 6. 3 3s are 9. So it is coming minus 3/18 because bigger number is 9. So in front of that minus sign is there. So minus 3/18. Same way 3 6 are 18. 6 1s are 6. 3 2s are 6. It is 0/18. 3 6 are 18. 6 1s are 6. 3 1s are 3. It is 3/18. Now tell me who is sacrificing and who is gaining. Kuldeep is having positive answer. That means Kuldeep is sacrificing. And Amit is having negative answer. That means he is. We can make a fraction small. So it will be 3 1s are 3, 3/6, 1/6. Here also 3 1s are 3, 3 6 are 18. So 1/6 share Amit is gaining, 1/6 share Kuldeep is sacrificing, and Vijay is nil, neither sacrificing nor gaining. Clear the concept?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So next one now you all are doing. Simmi, Sunny, Kashish and Sanji are partners for 2 to 1. Calculated old ratio is given 2 to 1 and new ratio is given 5:3:2. Old ratio is given 2 to 1 and new ratio is given 5:3:2. Calculate and tell me what is coming. Sacrificing and gaining how much? बताओ सनी का क्या आया, कशिश का क्या आया और सांजी का क्या आया? Who is sacrificing and who is gaining? Tell me.
Ma'am, Sunny was gaining.
Sunny was gaining. Okay. By how much?
-1/10.
Okay. That means minus we are not saying, because minus is just telling us, giving us information that he is gaining. So we will not say minus, we will say 1/10 share he is gaining. And who is sacrificing?
Kashish.
Everyone done or I have to do? बोलो बेटा, सबसे बना कि मैं करके बताऊं एक और ये वाला? देखो समझ लो जिससे नहीं बना। बन गया सबसे? ओल्ड रेशो है 2/5, ओल्ड रेशो है कशिश का 2/5, सांझी का ओल्ड रेशो है 1/5 माइनस न्यू रेशो है 5/10, न्यू रेशो है 3/10, न्यू रेशो है 2/10। एलसीएम लेकर सिखा दूं इसमें? या यही मल्टीप्लिकेशन जो अभी सिखाया?
Multiplication is good.
So 5 10s are 50, 10 2s are 20, 5 5s are 25. It is coming minus 5/50. 50, 10 2s are 20, 5 3s are 15. It is coming positive 5/50. Here 50, 10 minus 10 nil. So इनको कैंसिल कर लिया, ये बन गए 1/10. So Sunny is gaining and he is sacrificing. Now clear the concept properly. देखो एक बार फिर से समझ लो क्योंकि पूरे चैप्टर में ये यूज होने वाला है। ओल्ड रेशो मैंने लिखा 2, डिनोमिनेटर में सबको प्लस करके लिखा 5, न्यू रेशो है 5, डिनोमिनेटर में सबको प्लस करके लिखा 10। अब नीचे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, 5 10s are 50, फिर डायगोनली मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, 2 10s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 20 माइनस 25 5, 25 के सामने माइनस साइन है इसलिए -5/50। अब ये आपका 5/50 है तो 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, 0 का 0, तो ऐसे कैंसिल कर दिया। सेम कशिश का ओल्ड रेशो क्या है 2, डिनोमिनेटर में सबको प्लस करके लिखा, न्यू रेशो क्या है 3, डिनोमिनेटर में सबको प्लस करके लिखा और सॉल्व करा। सांझी का ओल्ड रेशो है 1, डिनोमिनेटर में प्लस करके लिखा 5, 2, डिनोमिनेटर में प्लस करके लिखा 10। अब आया समझ में सबको?
Yes.
So now remaining two sums you have to do 20 and 21. Now new topic 22 we are starting. Goodwill. So now question number 22. First thing what they have given, XYZ partner है. Question number 22. X, Y, Z partner है. Old ratio दिया है 5:4:1. 5:4:1 and new ratio दिया है 9:6:5. This is old ratio, this is new ratio. So first work to calculate sacrificing and gaining. So calculate it. चलो आप लोग कैलकुलेट करो और मुझे बताओ कौन सेक्रीफाइस कर रहा है, कौन गेन कर रहा है। This much is clear what I had done. Old minus new, and in this question see two partners are sacrificing, one is gaining. It's not come nil. This much is clear to everyone how to do this much.
Yes, miss. Yes,
Okay, so now next step, what is new here? Here new thing in this question they have given goodwill is to be valued 2-year purchase of average profit of last 3 years. That means we have to calculate goodwill. So किस मेथड से गुडविल कैलकुलेट करनी है? एवरेज प्रॉफिट मेथड से. तो उनने आपको 3 साल के प्रॉफिट्स दिए हैं. एक दिया है 48,000, एक दिया है 42,000 और एक दिया है 60,000. बताओ क्या करना पड़ेगा हमें? सबसे पहले ऐड करके
एवरेज
प्रॉफिट निकालना है.
डिवाइडेड 3.
Okay, good. Then sum total it and tell it how it is coming. How much it is coming? 50,000 average profit. Came this much. Now how to calculate goodwill? कैसे goodwill calculate करते हैं हम लोग बेटा?
Average profit multiplied by purchasing year.
So in question they have given purchasing year 2. तो हम 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. तो हमारी गुडविल कितनी आ गई? 1 लाख. इतना भी आ गया समझ में?
Yes, miss.
अब न्यू थिंग हमें इसमें क्या करनी है? इसमें हमें जर्नल एंट्री पास करनी है. तो जर्नल एंट्री कैसे पास होती है? The partners who are gaining will be debited and partners who are sacrificing will be credited. So tell me who is gaining and who is sacrificing. Z is gaining, X and Y is sacrificing. तो हमारी जर्नल एंट्री क्या बन जाएगी बेटा? Z capital account debit to X capital account to Y capital account. ये जर्नल एंट्री बन जाएगी. क्योंकि जर्नल एंट्री का रूल क्या है? गेनिंग पार्टनर्स डेबिटेड टू सैक्रिफाइसिंग पार्टनर. So journal entry you have passed. It is clear how to pass journal entry. Yes, Z debit to X to Y. Now amount कैसे लिखें? वो अमाउंट लिखना सीखो. ये जो आपकी गुडविल आती है, इस गुडविल के अमाउंट को आपको सैक्रिफाइसिंग रेशो और गेनिंग रेशो से मल्टीप्लाई करना रहता है. तो सबसे पहले हम x का अमाउंट निकालें. गुडविल है 1 लाख. x का कितना अमाउंट है? 1/20. सो हाउ मच इट इज कमिंग? 5,000. तो x के सामने लिख देंगे 5,000. ऐसे ही y का निकालोगे 1 लाख इंटू उसका फ्रैक्शन कितना है? 2/20. तो ये कितना आ जाएगा? 10,000. तो y के सामने लिख दोगे 10,000. अब ऐसे ही z का निकालोगे. z का अमाउंट है 1 लाख गुडविल और गेन कितना कर रहा है? 3/20. तो वी विल मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3/20. सो इट विल बी कमिंग 15,000. We will write here 15,000. So in this way we have to calculate the amount for the journal entry. Now it is clear how to do. Once again I am repeating, listen it carefully. First they have given you old ratio and new ratio. So first work is to calculate sacrificing and gaining ratio. That all understood. All get now how to calculate sacrificing and gaining ratio? Second step, they have not given directly goodwill. If they are giving directly goodwill, so we will multiply goodwill by the sacrificing and gaining and we will pass a journal entry. But here they had not given goodwill, so second step to calculate goodwill. So to calculate goodwill, they have given 3 years profit. So we have sum total all the 3 years profit and divided by 3. So we will got average profit. Goodwill, how we are calculating average profit into purchasing year. So we have multiplied, we got goodwill. Now, how to pass journal entries? The rule is the partners who are gaining will always be debited and the partners who are sacrificing will always be credited. So Z is gaining, so Z capital account debit to X capital account to Y capital account. Now amount, how we have to write? So goodwill amount into sacrificing and gaining ratio. So goodwill amount calculated 1 lakh. We are multiplying that 1 lakh by sacrificing ratio and gaining ratio, and we are writing that in the journal entry. So now it is clear or not?
Yes, ma'am.
So all sums are like this only. First you have to calculate goodwill and then we have to do this method. So now second question. See what is in this second question they have given us. Tell me. ABC partner 3:1 means old ratio is 3:1. New ratio is 5:3:2. First all of you calculate goodwill, sacrificing and gaining ratio. Old ratio is 3:1 and new ratio is 5:3:2. Calculate sacrificing and gaining ratio. बताओ किसने सेक्रीफाइस किया, किसने गेन किया? आई एम डूइंग, चेक इट एवरीवन. 2/6 60, 30 minus 30 0, that means nil. Second one, 2/6 minus 3/10 60, 20 minus 18 2/60, 1/6 minus 2/10 60, 10 minus 12 minus 2/60. जिसको अगर हम छोटा बना लें तो 1/30, 1/30. C is gaining and B is sacrificing. Tell me the journal entry. What will be your journal entry, beta? बताओ.
Capital account with A capital account with 2B capital account.
Yes. C capital account debit to B capital account. This is your journal entry. अमाउंट कैसे निकालें? इसमें देखो इनने गुडविल सीधे निकाल के दी है. गुडविल दी है इनने 60,000. तो अभी मैंने बताया गुडविल की वैल्यू को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं? सेक्रीफाइसिंग और गेनिंग. तो 60,000 को 1/30 से मल्टीप्लाई करो तो कितना आ जाएगा? 2000. तो आप क्या लिख दोगे? 2000 2000. अब सबको समझ में आ गया कैसे करना है?
Yes, ma'am.
So now goodwill, all sums you have to do today. Clear? This is only the concept and in this way only you have to do the numerical. But only difference is there in some sums they are directly giving the goodwill and in some sums you have to first calculate the goodwill and then you have to pass journal entry. So both the methods I had explained you. So it is clear everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Yes.
Okay beta.
Keep studying.